the Berkeley Chef channel. My name is Chef Elijah, and today I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry oat bar. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, and nut-free, so it's perfect to take to school. It's a simple, easy recipe that you can make with your kids and will be prepared for on those days when you're in a rush. You will have breakfast at hand. Perfect! The ingredients are at hand. What you will need for this recipe is some oat flour, some oats, some pumpkin seeds, some cane sugar, some chocolate chips, and coconut oil. The measurements that I use in this recipe, there will be a link in the description that we leave for you to get it. We're gonna put our oat flour into the bowl. And our pumpkin seeds, our cane sugar, and our chocolate. And we're mixing it to get the ingredients well incorporated. Then we're going to make a little hole here to pour our coconut oil. Make sure to take everything out of the container that you use, all the oil. And I'll be back with a pan pretty soon. Perfect! The right pan for the jar. I don't know the measurements for this pan, but we pop it up on the screen for y'all, and we'll also put it with the measurements, the link. Pour some of this into the pan now. Okay, next we're going to make sure to press this down a bit. We got more of our oat mixture, and I'll place that in. And with our spoon, I'm going to smoothen this bar out here, as you can see. And then we'll get to the blueberry filling. The ingredients that you'll need for the filling is some blueberries, cane sugar, some tapioca starch, and some chia seed. We're gonna light our stove and leave it at medium heat and pour our blueberries in. Leave that. And we're going to let the blueberries simmer. Make sure to boop the like button on this video if you enjoy the content we create. We're going to add our cane sugar. Oh, wow, that looks amazing. And then we're going to get our spatula and mix it together with our blueberries. Blueberries is looking good. It's starting to get a good boil to it. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our tapioca starch. And now we want to go ahead and mix it.
Why are you adding tapioca starch?
Oh, it's to thicken the sauce so that it will be a good type of jelliness for our recipe.
Okay.
And I'm going to add our chia.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button.
We gotta mash the blueberries. The blueberries. The blueberries. Then we're going to take our blueberry sauce, or filling we'll call it, and pour it into the pan. And we're just spreading our filling. And we're going to go ahead and put our second layer of our oats on top of our blueberry filling. Then we're just going to gently press it down. You can put the bar in the fridge for 1 hour or in the freezer for half an hour. I'm gonna try my bar, so let's give it a try. So, let me pull out a bar here. Take a quick look. I can taste that blueberry flavor. It's amazing. The bars is perfectly sweetened. Blueberry is just like a jam. It's amazing. Amazing. You gotta try this recipe. And this is a great recipe. Look at all this. Extra extra bars, and there's more. Great recipe. Hope you guys try it. The rest of it in another no-bake dessert. Check out this video. Bye!